So here's a quick one on attracting even more money to yourself. Taking full responsibility for your own well-being. I am attracting more and more money, and I choose to love and accept myself. I am attracting more and more money, and I choose to love and honor myself. I am attracting more and more money. I choose to be an even stronger money magnet. I choose to be irresistible to money. I am attracting more and more money, and I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself, and anyone else who might be involved. I'm attracting more and more money. I'm allowing myself to attract more money. I'm letting myself know that it's okay for more money to show up in my life. I choose to be really comfortable with money. I choose to feel really good about money. Such that money finds me irresistible. And it comes looking for me. And I welcome it with open arms. And I'm becoming more and more okay with that. Clearing any reasons why it's not okay to attract more money. Allowing myself to feel good about being a money magnet. And I'm getting better and better at how I use money. I'm using money in really good ways. I'm becoming a better steward of my money. Making really good choices about how I spend it and how I save it. Clearing any reason why I can't be an excellent money manager, so that it becomes better and better for me to attract money. I'm allowing myself to attract more money. Becoming a super strong money magnet. And allowing myself to feel really good about that. In body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. And allow yourself to attract more and more money for the highest good of all concerned. Thanks.